Hello everyone, we're going to play a game of Guess That Wood, or let's find out what that wood is. I guess it started with this that I pulled out. Kind of maybe looks like oak. Maybe red oak. I don't know. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see the grain patterns a little bit better. What is that? I don't know. I'm going to guess this is red oak. I'm going to guess this is red oak. I'm going to guess this is ash. Probably pine. Actually, I know that's pine. Let's just not deal with it. And this, I'm going to guess, is beech. The thing about having a joiner is that you can reveal the surface on one side and better see the grain that it is. Oh, here's another one down here. This one, I know what this is. That's because you look on the other side and it's black walnut. But this side clearly saw a lot of sun. So it's not as immediately evident what this is. Alright, let's do these one by one and see what happens, huh? It's a little bit long. Have to watch out for the tripod. That one is definitely red oak. Not yet. That's a whole lot of bark. And this one is ash. You can tell it has a lot of solid grain and then a lot of open grain, and it's a lighter colored wood. Definitely ash. And this one is definitely beech. You can see little tiny flecks in the direction of the grain. That's indicative of being beech. There we go, that's much better. Of course, dark color. And these I got out of a scrap pile. There's actually some really good compression stripes here. Definitely black walnut. And this one is definitely white oak. It's a lot tighter grain pattern. And I can see some rays, or I don't know, whatever it is when it's quarter sawn. I can see some of those in there too. So, white oak.